Dear students, welcome to the mathematics class. So here we continue the chapter linear equations in one variable. In the last class, you have studied about the exercise 2.3. Now let us see that exercise 2.4 in that first main question. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So Amina thinks of some number. We don't know that which that number is. Let us take that one as x. Let Amina thinks of a number b x. Let us take that one as x and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. Means therefore by given what we can write now, c subtracts 5 by 2 from it and she multiplies the result by 8. Means she multiplies this result by how much? 8. So which is equals to how much you will get? The result now is obtained. Means which is equals to 3 times the same number she thought of. Means 3 into the number she thought of is x. 3 into x. So now solve this one. So here what now? So 8 multiplication is there. Take that one to the RHS, that will become division. So x minus 5 by 2, which is equals to 3 into x, 3x divided by 8. So now take minus 5 by 2 to the RHS and bring 3x by 8 to the LHS. What you will get? X minus 3x by 8, which is equals to minus 5 by 2 will become plus 5 by 2. So now what is LCM here? 8. So LCM is 8. So 1 8s are 8 1s are. So 8 into x, 8x minus 3x into 1, 3x, which is equals to 5 by 2. So now 8x minus 3x, how much you will get? 5x divided by 8, which is equals to 5 by 2. So now 8 is here division. Take that to the other side, that will become multiplication. So 5x, which is equals to 5 by 2 into 8. So 2 1s are 2 4s are. Therefore 5x equals to how much? 5 4s are 20. Now 5x here multiplication, take that to the RHS, that will become division. So what will you get the answer now? X is equals to 20 by 5. Therefore x equals to how much? 5 1s are 5 4s are. Means 4 is the answer. That is, Amina thinks of a number that is 4. So this is the solution of first question. Now let us see the next question, second one. A positive number is 5 times the another number. A positive number is 5 times the another number. Another number if 21 is added to both the numbers. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes then becomes twice the other new number. Twice the other new number. What are the numbers? What are the numbers? We need to find those numbers are which are. So they are given what here now? A positive number is 5 times the other number. So we don't know that number. Let us take it as x. Then another number will become 5x. And if you add 21 to both numbers, then one number will become twice the other number. Then find what are those numbers. So let us take let x be one number. Then other number is equals to what you can write 5 times the one number is there means 5 into x, that is 5x. Okay, if you add 21 to both the numbers, so add 21 first. If we add 21 to both numbers, then new numbers become what? First one is x is there, that will become x plus 21, and second number 5x is there, that will become 5x plus 21. So therefore, by given what we can write? So after adding 21 to both numbers, one number will become twice the other number. So what we can write now? 5x plus 21, which is equals to twice x plus 21. So you can ask here, find out x plus 21 equals to twice 5x plus 21, because the smaller bigger number will become the 2 times the smaller number, not a smaller number will become 2 times the bigger number. Here 5x is the bigger number and x is the smaller number, s. So 5x plus 21 is equals to twice x plus 21. So now solve this one. 5x plus 21, which is equals to 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 21, 42. So now bring 2x to the LHS and take 21 to the RHS. So what do we get? 5x, so minus 2x, which is equals to 42 minus 21. So 5x minus 2x, 3x, which is equals to 42 minus 21, that is 21. So x is equals to 21 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3 sevens are means x equals to 7. Therefore what you can write? Therefore one number is equals to 7 and other number which is equals to 5x is there, means 5 into 7, that is 35. Therefore the two numbers are what? 7 and 35. So this is about the second question. Now let us see the next question. The third question. Sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Sum of the when we interchange the digits, when we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number, greater than the original number by 27. By 27. Full point. What is the two-digit number? What is the two-digit number? Okay, see that what is the third question? Sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. So two-digit number, like let us take for example 54. This is a two-digit number, and sum of these two digits is how much here? 9. So such number is there now. So in that, when we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? So first of all, for writing the two-digit number, we need unit place digit and tens place digit. So let us take those as now x as a unit place digit. Let us see. Let x be the unit place digit. Then tens place digit will become what? That is 9 minus x, because sum of both digits is how much is there? 9. So if unit place digit is x, then tens place digit first time should be 9 minus x. So tens place digit is 9 minus x. Therefore, two-digit number. Two-digit number. What I can write down? So, for example, what I have taken 54. 54 what I can write? 50 plus 4, and 50 what I can write? 5 into 10 plus 4. So here 4 is the unit place digit and 5 is the tens place digit. So we can write the two-digit number as like now. So tens place digit what is there? 9 minus x into 10. So plus unit place digit is x. So as like this, tens place digit is 9 minus x into 10 plus unit place digit is x. So now this is our two-digit number. So now again they are given the information. What they are given? See here. If we interchange the digits, it is found that interchange means here it is number 54 and interchange means what you will get? 45 means interchange the digits means interchange that unit place to tens place and tens place to unit place. Then what you will get the two-digit number? Write that. After interchanging the digits, two-digit number is equals to what you can write? Just interchange the digits. So here we can write x into 10 unit place as tens place plus tens place as unit place means 9 minus x. So here 10 into x means 10x plus 9 minus x. So 10x minus x, what you will get? 9x plus 9. So this is our new two digits number after interchanging the digits. So now what we have given C. Therefore, by given, what we can write?